So, hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, this is a reading from October till December 2024. And I'm going to do the reading first for those who are already in a relationship or committed to each other or married to each other. Then for those who are in no contact or no communication, and then for singles, okay? If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, honey, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, honey, let's see. Scappies. Okay, let's see. For those who are already in a commitment or relationship and or married to each other, how it is going to be for you guys. Oh my god. Okay, chill. So October, November, and December. Okay, so in October, I do see Seven of Cups. A lot of confusion between you guys. A lot of this energy of what should we do and what should we do and what should we not do in order to gain the clarity in the situation, in order to gain the happiness in the situation. There will be a lot of emotional confusion in the situation, like whether you guys should be together or not, whether you guys will be able to make it work out with your person or not. It's kind of little bit of confusion kind of energy, overall confusion, emotional confusion between you guys. For some of it could be possible that one of the partners is kind of keeping the options open, and that is making the other person go crazy in the situation. It is going to create a little bit of tension between you guys, but this is something that can be worked out if you guys are going to talk to each other honestly and openly, okay? Open on and honest to heart communication is required. Now in the month of November, we have the Chariot. So it's going to be like okay, planning to move on from the situation, planning to be successful in this energy of moving on from the situation instead of trying to make this work out. One of you is going to be in this energy of, okay, enough is enough, I have to move on from the situation. I have given enough time, enough energies, enough resources to the situation. I can't do anything more about it. So it's better to move on from the situation. It's better to let go of the situation rather than making it work out, okay? So one of you will try to move on from the situation, but I don't see you guys doing that, because by the end of this year we have the Ten of Cups. So you guys are going to revive the connection in a very beautiful way. For some of you are going to plan kids with each other. For some of you, if you guys are not married, you guys are going to get you guys are going to plan marriage, and or if you guys are already married, you will try to make this connection go to the next level. So by the end of this year, I do see everything is going to be sorted between you guys, and you are going to have a beautiful family kind of dynamic between you and your person, making the connection go to the next level in whatever uh, way possible it is possible, like adopting a pet, adopting a kid, or having more kids or something like that. But taking your connection to the next level with your person is on the cards for you guys till the end of this year, December 2024. Yeah. Okay, now let's see for those who are in no contact. Now in no contact energy, I do see in October, I don't see any kind of solid communication happening. Ego and pride is going to be too big for both of you. None of you is going to make the move, or none of you will try to make the amends towards the other person, other energy here, because again, one of you is going to be too much in their ego and too much in their pride, that they will be like, even if the other energy is going towards them, they are going to end up blocking them, or they are going to tell them that they are not ready for any kind of communication or any kind of relationship or something like that. So in October, it seems kind of a difficult to deal with situation where one of you is not going to open up to the other person the way they should in the no contact. In November, we have this energy of somebody out of the blue connecting with you. Out of the blue, somebody will connect with you. Maybe they are not going to be like in a sober way, or they are going to be too much emotional, or they are going to be too much in the what we call that, in that way of drinking too much or overly emotional or something like that. So they might end up contacting you or connecting with you, but that is not, again, I don't see this is going anywhere, because the end of this year is Five of Cups. So one of you is going to be like feeling sad and depressed about the situation not going the way you guys wanted it to go. but at the same time, none of you, at least one of you, is not putting in the effort and energy in this connection anymore, in this situation anymore, and you guys are letting it go, even if it is like with a heavy heart. So one of you is going to be in this energy of letting the situation go, or trying to let go of the situation completely in the no contact, because one of you is going to be like not interested in the situation anymore, even if it is going to be like, okay, disappointment, that this is not working out, or did that this didn't work out. But I do see one of you leaving the situation or trying to leave it for good this time. Now let's see for those of you who are single. For singles, what's coming towards you for the next 3 months? We have the Tower, the Nine of Pentacles, two. Wow. Love is knocking at your door by the end of this year, Capricorn. For singles, I do see in October, I do see sudden, unexpected kind of like event happening in your love and relationship area. Now, it could be very much possible that you're going to connect with somebody very quickly, and then you're going to realize that this person or this energy is not meant for you. But one of you is going to get serious very quickly, very soon in the situation, and that's going to create a Tower moment. Okay, but at the same time, I do see that this situation is coming into your life to make you realize something very, very big. Even if it is going to be a fling, or even if it is going to be a short term kind of like a situation between you and this particular energy, this is going to teach you a huge lesson, or this is going to teach you something very, very valuable. Okay, make note of this situation. Now in the month of November, I do see you feeling very stuck in your love life, and you feeling like, okay, everything is delayed, nothing is moving forward, nothing is happening, and you might feel like, okay, maybe love life is not for me, or love is not for me, or something like that. But by the end of this year, we have the Two of Cups, so I do see love coming into your life when you will be least expecting it to happen in your life. It's like that for you guys, honey, Cappies. So somebody that is going to be like somebody who is going to too slow to move, too slow to take any kind of initiative from their side, I do see in November, by the end of November, you will end up meeting somebody with whom you are going to take things really very, very slow. But at the same time, you are going to feel like, okay, things are not going to the next level. But when you will be least expecting it, things will go to the next level. That kind of energy I'm picking for you guys by the end of this year, 2024. Cappies. Yeah, so love is going to be there for you guys, but you have to be very, very, very patient, then only it's going to be happening. And you have to like let go of the desperation and feeling like a victim all the time in your love and relationship area, then only it will happen naturally and organically. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. Cappies. We have the Five of Pentacles. This is the card anyways, but I shuffled. Okay, so you have to, again, I told you what to do, but same thing I have to repeat. So you have to come out of the past baggages. First of all, you have to come out of this feeling like a victim all the time, feeling like left out in the cold all the time in your love and relationship area. You have to work on this limiting belief of yours that you don't deserve love, or love is not meant for you, or you're always going to get betrayed, or you're always going to get someone who is going to do something shitty with you. You have to let go of these limiting beliefs, and you have to surrender to the divine, trust the process, trust the universe, and leave the desperation as well if you are in this in the lack or desperation energy by any chance. Okay, then only it will start happening with you naturally and organically. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.